Herman got 6 points.
Yeah.
Oh, look at.
Scott gets upfield and puts some pressure on Dak Prescott.
I started Larry.
Dak Prescott said, "I can shake it off." Let's start over.
They said he's supposed to do
That's what
business.
they do. It's only 3-man rush this time. Prescott has time. Now he's going to roll. Fire on the ball. And a good throw.
This game's actually pretty close now.
It could be closer. Yeah? They were in the 3-yard line and Henry Drake fumbled.
No way.
Right before half. 30 seconds left until half.
That shit you send it to.
They should be winning.
Oh, they had those touchdowns?
Henry Drake fumbled it right in there.
Why y'all send him always brother to go get food? Because he
They
needs
said I gotta go.
To create extra space.
I was already out.
Making the stretch right to the left, back to the right on a mini bootleg.
Dang, Zach only got 11 points so far.
Here's Elliott on the dip. And not much. We're still down to
Tell Ross got negative 0.3.
Okay, so we made a ball, right? So now we have to do it.
Oh, Robinson has for the Indian touchdown.
No. Hartman.
Robinson did score a touchdown.
Yeah, he did a dope
Robinson?
And it was way out of his reach. He was just trying to reach out, grab his brother.
trying to do now. Prescott.
That's his second touchdown.
Good.
Yeah,
No. But they're not playing there at the top.
Holiday only got 2 or 3, bro. Holiday.
So you're gonna go like that one time, okay? So we're gonna go another time, okay? That's 2.
Hi, everybody.
Then you go another time, okay? And you're only doing 3. Count how many I did. I don't know how many I did.
1.
Contested catch by Cooper for a second touchdown of the day.
Oh, I thought. Yeah, 2.
No, I did more than 1.
Oh, you did that before?
That was actually 4.
Good. So you're going to say
You do it 4 times actually, and you're gonna score like that. And
Look, that damn hole?
yours should be 5. Okay, these are 5.
Those aren't gray
No.
hairs. They're wisdom.
6, 7,
Gray hairs.
9, 10, 11. It's not 11, and yours is too small. Yeah, too big. Oh, baby. Dad, can you just give me a piece of
Chicken?
inside? Oh, baby. Oh. Dad, inside, now out the side. Inside, because I'm not going to eat that one.
Into a serious operation. That's why I chose the Spark Cash
The
Card.
inside.
Oh, you don't want the skin?
Why wouldn't I get this card? I redeemed $115,000 in cash back in just 1 year. I had a Disney budget last summer, and I thought $60.
Dad, just put it how you usually
My
do.
Spark Card is more than a credit card. It's actually helped me grow my business. What's in your wallet?
Okay, after that, this is how you can make like a big bubble. Okay, so you slide it out. Right? Brother, I'm wearing your old shirt. Yeah.
Skin's off.
Take off, like cut the skin.
Off the bone? Why?
Because I
The
like
bone
it.
gives you something to hold on to.
No, because I want a fork. Look, babe. Can I eat this? Yeah, it's fine. Look, babe, what? something on the phone.
Yes. Shut up.
Shut up, Stingin. Just shut up. Huh?
They're gonna mess up your content because you're saying something.
That's fine. Shush. Shush. I'm Fox.
Today's game is sponsored by Progressive
With my
Insurance.
baby.
That's a heck of a start to the third quarter. Dallas is chasing Garrett told Pam Oliver, you know, Slugger said they weren't in sync on offense. So what does he do after a 74-yard touchdown? Take it back.
Slide it out.
Running down the field, you see how fired up he is. Amari Cooper, it's another 2-touchdown game. He's got
My sister would go, and you were there too, so I was like, oh.
And it brings back in the third quarter, Charles. It's been his quarter to start the year, so clearly whatever he's doing, he regroups at half and comes out on fire in that third quarter as he did on
Okay,
the drive.
after you did that,
He was
I'm gonna grab a tiny little flag on the side.
Yeah, I just ate a lot. Can I put some down my line? I'm sure he didn't do that, but if you see the numbers, perfect quarterback rating in the third quarter this year. He started.
Dad, say hello.
Hello.
I'm Big Daddy Boo.
Big Daddy Boo. Let's eat some chochonos.
So what? So what?
Chocha.
You don't even know what they are.
I do.
What are they?
I forgot what they were.
Chico beans.
There is a.
That's what I said. Cascade.
Hi guys, I hope you're good too.
Picking the noodle corn.
And like this video, if you know we'll like this video, but just like this video.
9:37 to go.
And subscribe to my channel and ring the bell. So, be nice to each other and be safe. Peace.
Shoved out of bounds by Deion Jones. And out comes Rigoberto Sanchez.